Good afternoon, I'm Bibbs, the founder of the LotusForums.com, and welcome to our premiere of the unboxing video of a new item for owners from Lotus Cars. Up to now, you've been able to speak to the company archivist, Andy Graham, or via your dealer get a Certificate of Provenance. The team at Lotus have worked hard to upgrade this product to make it something nicer for us to have now, and I'm very lucky to be the owner of the very first customer one, which has just been delivered to me. So we'll be opening the box and having a look at what we get inside. The very first Certificate of Provenance, as you'll see from the press release on our website, has gone to a very special car which Lotus have just purchased for their upcoming museum. That car is a 1981 Turbo Esprit, which was Colin Chapman's very last company car. The car's got only 11,000 miles, it's in pristine condition, and we look forward to seeing that soon. But you'll see more details of that car and information about it in the press release on our website. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we get. So here we have the new box just been delivered by DHL, and this for me is the first time I've opened the box, so we'll get to see it all at the same time. Here we are for the drivers, as you can see. Lovely presentation box. When you open the box, let's have a look and see what we get inside. First off, a black envelope. Inside the envelope, we have a letter from Phil Popham, CEO of Lotus Cars. We have our Certificate of Provenance, which tells you all the details of your car from the chassis number. And we have a personal letter telling you all the details of your car as it was ordered when it was new. I can see from this that my car was the 68 out of 92 model year 11 cars produced, and it was the last out of 2 cars in motorsport green. Also in the presentation box, we have an engraved aluminium plaque, which you could take out and put in your car or keep in your wallet. That's got my name, model, chassis number, registration plate, which is on the car at the moment. Lotus leather keyring, a nice pen, and a carbon fibre effect bookmark, which has 9 of the more significant motorsport wins of Lotus's history. We also have a tin in the middle. Inside the tin, we have 2 pin badges. 2 magnetic badges. We have Lotus for the drivers, a new Lotus logo, and a Union Jack. These are on pins which will go through your lapel. These have magnets on the back of them, so you can stick them on without causing any damage. Overall, compared to the Certificate of Provenance we've been used to over the past however many decades, this is a lovely presentation, something nice to go with the history of the car. Several items that you'll want to keep if you sell the car on, or you can include in the sale. But a very nice product and very well priced by Lotus, so I'm sure you'll be very interested in getting hold of one as soon as you can. If you're looking at purchasing one of these for yourselves, you need to speak to your local dealer who will be able to help you. Take your chassis number and your personal details, and they will get one ordered up from the factory. Andy Graham, the company archivist, will find your build history, find all the details needed to fill this out, and they will get it sent out in the post to you.